Hello, I'm Yellow and welcome to my show, Hello Yellow. Today we are going to meet our neighbor Ujjwala. She makes the best biryani I have ever eaten and we are going to find out the secrets to her recipe. Hello Ujjwala, hello Sham,
Hi.
how are you?
Fine.
Hi Sham,
Yes,
how are
I'm
you?
well prepared.
Hi, Kai.
Hello.
Hi.
After a long time.
Yes.
Ujjwala,
Oh,
these are for you.
Beautiful.
Today we are here with Ujjwala. She's a neighbor of ours and she always sends us biryani over. It's been since a few years now and Kai and me really enjoy the way she cooks her biryani.
The one is the first is the marination part, which is you have the chicken, big pieces of chicken, cut pieces, then mint leaves, then coriander leaves, green chilies, curd. This is a paste of garlic and ginger, salt, and saffron. The second process of the biryani process is onion, which you have to fry in the oil. The third part is exactly we are doing biryani rice. So you require the basmati very good quality rice with lemon, cinnamon, cloves, star anise, bay leaves, cardamom. The another part, now we are going to the chicken gravy actually. That is, we want puree of onion, chopped tomato, then all masalas, sahajira, coriander powder, red chili powder, turmeric powder, biryani garam masala, and cashew nut powder. And the last part is a dum, where we are actually putting the layers. For that, we require potato fried, egg fried, then saffron with milk, pure ghee, and kevra essence. And for packing them, you require the dough of maida or wheat flour. We are first starting. First is a chicken marination part, which is most important.
Okay.
More you marinate, at least half an hour is a
Is a
minimum
must.
must. So marination is must. So after marination, what happen? We can do the other part. So till that
Perfect.
half an hour is perfectly okay. Second thing, another part. You cannot take boneless chicken for this.
Okay, so
It
you
should be
need
the
with bone.
bones. Huh? It's a chicken. Mutton biryani is more tasty, but chicken biryani is normally every
The thing is that what happens is that when somebody abroad wants to cook that now, and I'm thinking about my sister, for example, who is watching this definitely, and who is waiting for a good biryani recipe. And I told her, whenever I meet you next, and if you are willing to share your recipe, then you are the best person to do so.
thank you.
And so for her, it is difficult to get mutton abroad because they actually use lamb. So lamb would also
Yes,
work.
but then
actually.
it works. But then if it depends, then you have to cook it in the cooker, pressure cooker.
In the pressure cooker.
Yes. Huh? So what is the measurement for biryani?
Yeah.
There are many people are doing the different type of biryani. But what exactly I am cooking? Original biryani is double the meat.
Okay.
Okay, that is one thing. So now what are the ingredients? I will just show you for the marination.
Yeah.
Always for any meat. First is always a ginger garlic paste, which you can make it at home with an equal proportion of ginger, 100 gram ginger, 100 gram garlic. Like that you can make a paste. Now this I am doing in a two parts. One is a marination, one is a chicken gravy.
Okay.
So whatever always you apply to marination, half quantity marination, half quantity masala. So here everything half will go here, half will go in the masala bite. Now how to remember the measurement for the new person? So now this is 600.
Yes.
Okay. 300 gram is my rice. So per 100 gram 1 teaspoon garlic ginger. It should be all the time. You should keep this equation in mind.
Okay.
So now this is 3 teaspoon. So 1.5 I will put it here just now.
Yes.
And 1.5 I will put it in the gravy.
In the gravy that you are making.
Now this is what I am making. This is a 2 green chili
Yes, chopped.
chopped.
Yeah.
Then this is coriander, roughly, not
Yeah.
finely chopped. That is again 2 tablespoon, and later I will in the masala I will put different. 2 tablespoon
Of mint. leaves.
fresh mint leaves.
Yeah.
Mint is very important in biryani. That flavor. Biryani is all about the flavors. And for richness, you have to just put a saffron sticks, 5 to 6.
Okay.
That is.
Now this is over. Now for salt, people always feel what the salt measurement.
Yeah.
The salt is, now how many it is? 300 grams rice. huh, na?
Yes.
So like that I will just divide everyone and this is 2, then 2 in the rice later
Yes.
on, and 1 will be going the gravy part. Okay.
Yes.
Now main important now,
The yogurt.
Yes, is a yogurt. It should not be sour at all. So what is the measurement? So 3/4 cup, measuring cup which you have to take, it is exactly 3/4.
Yeah. Perfect.
So now marination part. So if you marinate for long also, it is more the marination, more it is tasty. And biryani's real beauty is that today you make the biryani, eat tomorrow. It will be more tasty.
Yes, it's
You have to-
something
yes,
very special.
Very special. Okay. Second step of the biryani is rice.
So we need a long grain
Long
basmati.
grain rice is basmati. So this is basically I am using dawat.
Yeah.
And just I am very happy with that dawat biryani rice, that is a green packet.
Okay, so you washed the rice and you kept it.
You have to just wash the rice and kept
Yeah.
it. Now I need to soak it.
Okay.
Particularly for biryani and pulao, always you soak the rice.
Okay.
Now another thing you have to do also, take half lemon.
Okay. That I never knew. So you're putting
So
lemon. into-
lemon, what happened now? Ki the rice will not stick. The color of the rice will remain white.
I never knew that.
Because you
never
are
knew
putting
that.
so many masalas and spices, no? So always to remain a rice good quality, that whiteness, no, you should put lemon. Particularly at least in the biryani. Okay?
Okay.
So I will soak the rice, just enough water to soak it,
Okay.
not much.
So it's basically just covering
Yes,
the rice.
covering the rice, covering. That's all. Okay. Now second thing is. Now this is okay. Now we will leave it.
Okay.
Okay, we leave the rice at least for half an hour. By the time everything other things will be prepared.
Okay, so Ujjwala, you told me that there is a special way on how to cut the onion.
Onion, because onion is the most difficult part. People feel it very hard to do it. In whole process, you will find only how to cut onion, because you
Okay.
cannot chop it on the machine. You have to
Yes.
cut it by hand.
Okay.
And for hand, there is a little skill you require to
Yes.
maintain. Okay, so you have to always see that ki onion should be hold with the. It should have need a grip.
Okay.
Okay.
Ah, you are
Yes.
cutting it slanting.
Slanting.
Okay.
Okay. Now, particularly for fast, to make the onion fast frying,
Yeah.
you need to cut it half and then cut it slice. So
Okay.
the onion fry, the process become very easy and the less time is required. We cut the onion
Yes.
long wise
Yes.
and just give a 1/2 cut.
Okay.
Okay, that is one. So many people say ki to fry the onion is also the knack.
Okay.
It should not be, the color should be perfectly golden brown, not too dark, not too pale, and the onion should remain crispy.
Okay.
Okay, and for that you need to add little salt to it.
Okay, so you have to
You just,
add now into the onions the salt.
Let me just sprinkle the salt. Always onion will be crispy.
Okay.
That is. So already I put salt in that.
Yeah.
And now you have to take 200 ml
Of oil.
just to fry.
You're using regular oil, sunflower
Regular, it's a sunflower oil. So once it is heat, so just to heat, I will let it be heat little bit.
Yeah.
Then when you put anything, even batati vada or anything patties, anything fry now, because already it is heat now, either you remove from the heat, slow the gas,
Yeah.
and then you put it. Otherwise, if you put on the high flame
Yes.
frying, it will just change the color first, and it will
Okay.
remain uncooked.
Okay.
So for perfect cooking,
Yes.
and the perfect color should be uniform color. You always need to be first heat the oil, reduce the heat.
Yes.
If possible, you can just remove it and then you put it.
Okay.
That is
That's a good
that
tip.
is
I didn't know
See,
about.
cooking is everyone can do it, but these small tips makes a lot of difference.
Yes.
And when you say it is somebody's biryani, somebody's this is very interesting. These are the because of these small tips who follow. Always when it is hot, You have to reduce the temperature,
Yeah.
slow the gas, and then now you can see the color of the onion is changing, and now it should not be too dark, it should be perfectly golden brown. Now same process, we can fry potato and egg is to be there. Maybe it is a protein and carbohydrates, those who cannot eat chicken.
Yes,
The
can
children
have
cannot
that.
eat the spice. For them, this is a substitute. So
Oh,
original
very nice.
recipes always have the potato and rice. And as I said, ki now I boiled it because we are going to cook it for 20 minutes. Just to change the color to light pale golden brown color. That's all. Now the most important part is how to make a rice. Biryani rice is absolutely perfect. And it is much thing is important on the biryani rice.
Okay.
It should not be overcooked, it should not be undercooked, it should be the perfect, and each grain should be separated. That is a basic thing. So we are making now, starting as we earlier just soak it. This is more than at least half an hour, and now you can just see also the grain
Yeah, it
after
was kind
soaking.
of puffed up a bit.
Okay.
So that was, now let's say, how long was that? 20 minutes?
20 minutes is okay.
Approximately,
Okay, not
yeah.
more than it also. Start putting masala one by one. This is 2 tej patta,
Yeah,
2 cinnamon,
yeah.
3 badiyan or full chakra, 3 cardamom, green cardamom, 8 cloves, and 8 to 10 peppercorns. Apply salt at this stage only.
Okay.
So we will just put, as I told you, total 6 salt we are putting,
Yes.
6 teaspoons. So 2 I already put it.
for the chicken marinade, and
And
now
this
you're
is-
putting another 2
this
for the
is
salt, for
Salt,
the rice, sorry.
just and mix it. Okay, already we put half lemon for it. Okay,
Oh yes, that lemon you put in, that
Okay.
was...
so
So we'll have to wait until this
yes, and cover
boils.
boil it. Okay.
Yeah,
Now
so
you
this
have to
is
reduce the
boiling.
heat,
Yeah.
and you have to just.
And
Now
now you-
again increase the heat.
Yeah.
Okay. Now again, we put lemon. Okay.
Yes, we have
and
put
just
lemon
put
into it.
1 tablespoon oil.
So is this the oil from the
Yes,
from the
onion.
onions? Just to mention it again, Ujjwala has used the same oil that she has fried the onions in to put into the rice, so that flavor is
Yes.
there.
There. Just cover it for 2 to 3 minutes
Yeah.
because we don't want it to cook completely.
Yes.
Now we just see, just taste whether it is done or not.
Yeah.
So when you just see, and you have to just break it from the middle.
Okay.
When it is breaking from the middle, it is cooked.
Okay. Fine.
Because it should
fine.
not be like this breaking.
Yeah.
It should be from the middle.
From the middle. Perfect.
Because another 15-20 minutes, it is already going to be in the dum.
Yeah.
So it should not be overcooked.
It shouldn't be
No.
overcooked. Yes.
Okay.
And you are straining it now.
And you have to strain it now.
Here. This really looks interesting, and I really want
I
to
don't
taste
know.
it because of the onion oil and all the spices.
So maybe you require.
Okay, so now this is the most exciting part. We are going to fry the chicken and we are going to put it all together. So Ujjwala,
Yes. Now the most important part is to make a chicken gravy. Here also chicken should not be cooked completely,
yes,
90%. So because 10% will be on the dum.
okay. So this is your onion
Oil, which we don't want it to same here to, because we want that fragrance and everything. So it's a 9 tablespoon big
Yes.
oil I am putting. So now half, because our chicken is 600 gram.
Yes.
So the onion is 600 gram.
Okay.
So in that 4 onions I fried it.
Yes, earlier,
You can
which is
see
over
fried
here.
it. And one small I just make a paste. So put onion first,
Yes.
which we have to take it little light brown color. So now you just
You're frying the onions.
frying the onion. It is, you have to just make it little light pale brown, that's all, not much. When you put masala, always reduce
Yes.
the heat.
Okay.
Okay, that is reduce the heat, put 1 teaspoon saha jeera. Now as I say कि half I put it here,
Yes.
and half 1 teaspoon, 1.5 teaspoon
So now you've added the onion, and ginger paste.
garlic paste.
Yes.
Keep it on stir it.
Yes. So it doesn't get too brown.
Now
and
1 tomato, because already you have the curd, enough curd.
yeah, so you don't need more sourness from the.
More. So now tomato has to cook little.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I will put
The chicken.
marinated chicken, which is almost marinate for half an hour, which is good.
This looks very nice.
So for 2-3 minutes you have to stir it. So just wait for, let it cook.
So now Ujjwala is going to show us how to prepare the saffron, which is really important. So you're basically just roasting.
Roasting, because see, this will give the more
It
color.
dries it. It dries it out.
Okay. Now just pour the milk. See the color.
Okay, very nice. The color is beautiful.
Okay. Now
Yeah.
just start putting the spices one
Okay.
by one.
Course.
Always turmeric 1/4 is okay.
Okay.
1/4 is there. Now 100 gram is our rice.
Yes.
So 3 teaspoon.
Of
So
that
this
is
is a-
Kashmiri chili powder or that's regular chili
No,
powder?
Kashmiri chili powder only has a color. But
Okay.
this is a bedki.
Okay.
Bedki has a flavor,
Yes.
spice and color.
Okay.
So it's a combination. Because spice is required. We are not using much spices. If
No,
you
they are
observe
not.
it.
Yes.
So this is 3. This is again coriander, fresh coriander.
Coriander.
All these are homemade.
Yeah. This is coriander,
Coriander
powder.
powder. 1, 2,
3.
So 1/4 always a turmeric.
Yeah.
So then just make the flame high. Now as I said ki biryani is from the royal kitchen,
Yes.
and many people use the apricots and all.
Yes.
Cashews, pistas, but that are richness, because it is a dish after it has to be made only for the occasions, festivals.
That's right, weddings
Why.
and all.
Weddings, even Eid. So that is what, it's a cashew powder. You can
Yes.
have almond powder, cashew powder. You can omit it. But
Okay.
it is richness, as I again
Of
said.
course.
As I
No,
had the
I think
saffron.
it is a
That
traditional part
it's a traditional part. So it is a 2 teaspoon
of cashew nut or almond powder.
almond powder. Okay, it give richness. See, now this type of only chicken also you can eat it.
Yes, of course. Like this, it's a lovely chicken curry in a
Chicken
way.
curry. See,
Very tasty.
now this you can just roughly
Yeah,
for
the
the
coriander.
fragrance. Just fragrance. See. Very little, not much, because already we in the marination is there.
Yeah.
And now already we put the salt in the this rice. We
Yeah.
put the salt in the marination. So now it is a chicken, because tomato is there, other things, so they
Yes.
require the salt. So it is a 1 teaspoon, and it is a little half. Okay.
Yes. Looks very nice. So you're frying all this for about 2 minutes more.
Wow,
All
because
together, I
I
think
think chicken
10
should be-
minutes. Yeah, should be cooked
It
a
is
little.
7 to 8, total 10 minutes process. From the start at the onion, it will be 10 minutes process, because chicken takes 7 minutes to cook, 7 to
Okay.
8 minutes. Now this is, we are not putting all the.
Okay,
out
you're
of
putting
40,
only-
yes, only the 3/4.
Those fried onions will go in.
So now you can put our
Biryani.
biryani.
Biryani masala
Masala.
is coming in now. The special one that she
Yes,
made,
made
on
it
her-
at home.
Yeah, she made it at home.
So that is 1 spoon, 1 teaspoon, not more than it.
One
Because
big
because
teaspoon.
we already put
Put a lot of
spice and
other spices into it.
So I will request you to taste at this stage.
Yes, I will definitely taste. So I'm going to taste.
I will put it in this.
No, I'll just taste like
No,
this.
one minute.
Just going to. Very good. Good. Very, yeah, very
You
tasty.
require anything?
It's absolutely perfect.
Now chicken. I have to just now for 5
And
minutes.
it's not really spicy, even though you added so much of chili.
But
It's
that
not
is
really spicy.
So that is what I said. Like it should be very perfection. Now reduce the heat.
Okay.
Reduce the heat and 5 minutes and it just
Cover it and we let it
Okay.
cook. Now we are going to make the dough to seal the pot.
seal the pot. That is called dum biryani on pitch. Okay.
Before you do that, I want to ask you something. What does dum actually mean?
Dum means the cooking
Yes.
is when you cook the things, the steam should not go out.
Okay.
So it should cook with that steam, with that pressure only.
Should
Now
seal.
there is another thing. Suppose you don't have dum, you
Yes.
don't wanted to do this process.
The-
So you can put a flat cover for it. Flat cover for it.
Yes.
Okay, and just put
A
big
stone on
stones
top. Okay, that's a good thing. Maybe
That
people
is-
who are abroad,
Abroad.
are not going to do that. So
Whatever, anything should be heavy, which will not allow the steam to go out. That is the basic purpose.
perfect. Now we are moving on to the sealant, literally the dough of the dum biryani.
So it is 1.5 cup. I took this flour,
Of whole wheat flour.
whole wheat flour or maida, plain
Whichever
flour,
one,
whatever.
any flour.
And just you have to add water enough to knead it. That's all.
So this is done. So a little bit oil so that it doesn't stick to your hands.
That's it.
Now we are doing the last part of the biryani. We are layering everything and putting it into the pot and sealing it.
Okay, just remove the lid.
So we've got all the chicken over
Chicken, it
here.
is there.
The
Okay.
chicken in the gravy we have right at the bottom. Then you're adding,
Adding
the rice.
rice. It
So
is
you're
for
just
the-
layering it on top.
Now started doing it. First thing, just put
Then coriander.
thing, just not more,
Yeah.
just roughly sprinkle it.
Then the mint.
Okay.
And then the fried onions.
Onions.
Yeah, if you want to use the potato and egg, then that is the time to put
Time
it
to put
in.
it in. If you can, if you don't want, it is okay. It is not a compulsory.
Yeah. Now we have the ghee, which is clarified butter.
It is a yes, clarify, but it is a completely homemade ghee.
Okay, that's
it's a-
also done by you.
Yes. It is a big 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoon, I will say, instead of big. So it is a good for the measurement to have a 2 good tablespoon ghee. And now you can have
The
saffron
saffron
and
milk
milk.
mixture.
So now, suppose you don't want to use saffron, you don't have, then you can go for that color yellow. But
Okay.
saffron has a
Special
different
taste
special
to it.
taste and that richness, which you cannot miss it for that. And very important is
Yeah, which
this is
that
called
is something
is
that.
called kevra essence.
Okay, that's
This
kevra.
is only 3 because it is very strong.
Yes.
So you can use only 3 to 4 drops.
Okay.
That's all. If you have, just make it and spread it on this.
Now, what is kevra actually?
Kevra is one, basically it's a leaf.
Okay.
It's a leaf which has a strong flavor.
So now, what is the difference between kevra and rose water? I always
Rose,
thought
no,
that
rose
you-
is a with a rose
totally
petals.
different.
Rose
That is
petals.
rose petals.
So
And
it's
that
different only,
So
no? It's a
rose
herbal.
water
This is
doesn't. Sorry, rose water doesn't go into the
No,
biryani.
rose water will not go to any spice. Rose water will
Okay.
always go to the any sweets.
Sweets. And kevra is what you can use for spice
spices.
and sweet as
Sweet.
well.
Okay.
Okay, so now we are doing the dough part of it.
What is important is you have to just, these edges is very important. See, from here the steam should not go.
Should not come out.
Okay, it's very interesting. Of course, abroad also people are using plain flour.
Yeah.
Because for the cakes and for the pizza
Yeah,
and the
it
bread.
basically
which
doesn't
is
matter.
which is available. And if they don't wanted to make a biryani masala, they can use ready-made masala. But that should not be. You should not put more.
Yes.
Then it is very promising and very strong taste they are having. So always it should be in a proportionate. You have to use it, and this is what a sealing part of it. So it should go inside. You understood? No?
Yes,
This
of
is very.
course.
Now this is you just pack it. Now, if you wanted to do in a earthen pot,
Yes.
Okay, so then you require that iron tawa,
Okay.
flat, to keep it, and then keep the earthen
Pot on top
pot
of
on
it.
top of it.
Okay.
Directly you cannot keep it.
Okay, so now actually if I want to do this as a dinner and I invite friends and everything and I want to do it in an earthen pot where it looks nicer, so at that stage I can layer it in an earthen
Everything,
pot.
yes, everything you can do the same what we have just taught. Only
And
thing you have to just
Put
put
another
a,
pan
another
or
tawa pan.
another tawa underneath and then
Underneath.
put
That
it
is
on.
what. So then and put it on that.
Okay.
Okay. That. Now next 15 to 20 minutes
Yes.
maximum.
Yes.
You have to just on a very slow flame you have to cook it.
Okay.
20 to 15 minutes you have to just cook it. And do not open at least for an hour.
Oh, after cooking we have to keep it closed for
Actually
an
that
hour.
is Manche, that is recommended.
Okay, so
Because
we will
it,
do that.
that complete spice, that smell, it should really come inside. If you eat hot biryani, na, it will not give good taste.
Okay.
More it will mature, more it is marinated, more it will be tasty. Next day it will be tasty. In fact, suppose you are going to have a dinner days, na, make it in the morning. It
Okay.
will be more tasty.
Okay, perfect.
Okay?
Yes.
So I will just now use this gas
Yeah.
to on a slow flame. At
So
least
now
cooking part.
all we have to do is wait, and I really want to thank you from Kai and my side, and definitely for a lot of people who are out there viewing this, because she's actually showing us the true spirit and the true way of how to make it, and she's not leaving out a single bit. And I do feel we are going to get the perfect flavor with that, and we are very thankful to her to do that today
And
for us.
no, thank you very much. Actually, you gave me the opportunity because many our friends and relatives they are saying, Ujjwala, your biryani is very good, it's very special. Particularly, my husband tried everywhere for biryani. Travel 500 kilometers also. You go to, but he never said. But he is somehow he is satisfied with my biryani. But I realize that biryani has a technique, and one has to understand that techniques.
Yes.
It is not not like any other recipe you can follow it. That's why maybe you are putting your love, your complete passion. So also that is also one of the reasons.
Also, what I want to mention here is that Ujjwala is teaching cooking. She is teaching to students, and I'm going to link everything in the description below. So if you are interested, check it out. Thank you so much, Ujjwala.
Welcome.
We are
And hope
waiting
you
to
will
eat
all enjoy my biryani.
We are 100% sure we'll enjoy it.
Thank you.
And some rice.
Thank you very much, Yellow.
Welcome. Your wife cooked all this. I'm just serving.
Okay, just little one piece of chicken.
One piece of chicken.
And rice.
And rice.
Perfect. And thanks, Yellow. I hope you will all enjoy.
I'm sure we'll
Biryani
all
and-
enjoy that.
Just all the best for your all future
Thank
project.
you.
Yes,
All
and
your future videos.
yes.
Thank you so
And
much.
thank you guys so much for giving me the opportunity.
Thank
Trust
you
me.
for giving
showing us how to make food.
this lovely
Yes.
biryani.
Thanks.
Thank
It's a
you.
pleasure. Really pleasure.
Very, very nice.
No,
Very tasty.
but
So this is basically yogurt,
yogurt.
a little bit of
cucumber,
water.
No, no, no.
No water,
Yogurt.
just yogurt.
Yogurt, salt,
Yes.
little sugar,
Yeah,
onion. That's all. Finely chopped.
finely chopped. Perfect.
This is a raita which goes very well with biryani.
Thank you for watching, and please give this video a like. I hope you enjoyed the little taste of Goa and the quick, not really that quick and easy recipe. You should definitely give it a try. For more recipes, travel stories on Goa's best kept secrets, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at Hello Yellow Goa for early previews and behind the scenes.
If you decide to make this for yourself, visit helloyellow.yellowmera.com for the full details and recipe.
Yes, thanks very much for giving me the opportunity.
Thank you for showing me how fast it is.
And please come.
Yeah.
Thanks. I hope you enjoy the biryani.
Very, very tasty.
It was super tasty
And all the best for your project. Best.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. All my
website helloyellow.yellowmera.com.